Namaste, I am JVN Seema Banchal from Department of Journalism, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Students, today I will teach you in this session about lightings. Lightings can emphasize important details or hide them. It can flatter or subject by bringing out positive attributes, and it can de emphasize or hide less attractive attributes. Functions of lighting: to provide the TV camera with adequate illumination for technical acceptable pictures, to show the viewer what the objects shown on screen actually look like. Now I will tell you about some important terms used in TV studio. First is base light, even non-directional diffuse light necessary for the camera to operate optimally. Normal base light levels are 150 to 200 feet candles. Color temperature. The next one is dimmer, a device that controls the intensity of light by throttling the electric current flowing to the lamp. Floodlight, lighting instrument that produces diffused light with a relatively undefined beam edge. Fresnel spotlight, one of the most common spotlights named after the inventor of its lens. Its lens has step-like concentric rings. LED light stands for light emitting diode light. Its light source is an array of semiconductors. Quartz, a high intensity incandescent light whose lamp consists of a quartz. Spotlight, a lighting instrument that produces directional relatively qualities in lighting. The four main qualities or properties of lighting are intensity, color, and focus. Intensity is measured in lux, lumens, and foot candles. Color temperature is measured in kelvins. Direction refers to the shape, quality, and evenness of a lamp's outfit. Lighting instruments. Quartz lamps. Almost all incandescent lamps used in TV production. This type of lamp is more efficient than the common light bulb type incandescent lamp, and it doesn't darken with age. This is quartz lamp image. Fresnels. The Fresnel lens, invented by French physicist Augustin Jean Fresnel, consists of concentric circles that both concentrate and slightly diffuse the light. This is the image of Fresnel light. With this, today's session is ended here. Tomorrow we will discuss the remaining information of this session. This session is powered by Digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it soon.